In this short video, we will provide an overview of Blueprint Identity Resolution, a new product developed by OpenJaw Technologies, now available on AWS Marketplace. Blueprint Identity Resolution is a sophisticated solution for customer data integration built specifically for the travel retailing market. It is designed to accelerate the development of customer data solutions for travel retailers spanning customer data platforms, customer relationship management systems, and master data management systems. With Blueprint Identity Resolution, you can quickly create a reliable single customer view spanning multiple customer data sources, a foundational block towards building a wide variety of customer data solutions. Fundamentally, the Blueprint Identity Resolution product answers this question. In today's omni-channel world of travel retailing, how can you be sure that when somebody logs on to your e-commerce site or loyalty platform, that you have all of the information you need to communicate with that customer in an optimal, personalized way and create an offer that is relevant and likely to convert? Solving this problem starts with collecting all of the customer data you can from multiple channels and data sources, spanning transaction or P&R data, CRM and loyalty system data, search and online behavior data. But when you collect all of this data, you will find that the customer identity information from across these sources is represented in multiple inconsistent ways. Let's take a closer look at this problem. Here we have customer profile information for a single individual from 3 different data sources, each represented as a row in the table here. This person's name in real life is Mary Smith. However, when we look at the first column of the table, we see that Mary's first name in 2 of the sources is just Mary, but in one of them is Mary Ann. This is not unusual. People often include their second first name when completing official forms or documents, but just use their first name in less formal settings. When we look at the second column, we see that the first record has Downing as the surname, but Smith is the surname for the 2 other records. This is also not unusual and is normally the result of a name change following marriage. The fourth column illustrates how people use multiple phone numbers and often enter different numbers into different systems. But even with this incomplete, noisy information, the Blueprint Identity Resolution algorithm can determine that these 3 records all relate to a person who most frequently uses the name Mary Smith. In other words, the algorithm can resolve her identity and assign a unique ID which would form part of a single customer view across all customers. So how does it work? Blueprint Identity Resolution solves the identity puzzle using a combination of methods from the fields of cryptography, probabilistic record linkage or fuzzy matching, and graph theory. This is a very similar technology to the technology used to run social network platforms like Facebook and WeChat today. Here we can see a visualization of the identity graph that is created to link similar identities together. This is the final step in the process to confirm that similar records do in fact relate to the same person. The ultimate output from the algorithm is a database of resolved identities, each with a unique ID. If you would like to learn more about the technical details of Blueprint Identity Resolution, please take a look at the OpenJaw Data Science blog on Medium. In this blog, you will find a series of 3 articles that detail exactly how the algorithm works. You will also find the results of benchmarking experiments that compare the performance of the algorithm as compared to traditional so-called exact matching methods. And you can easily gain access to each Blueprint module via AWS Marketplace and run it in the AWS cloud infrastructure as a CloudFormation template. This enables your team to quickly and reliably provision Blueprint modules on AWS. Some of the key benefits of this approach are: number one, you can store all of your input and output data in AWS S3. Number two, you can scale your implementation elastically, that is, start small but grow fast. And number three, you can access an intuitive, easy to master user interface that enables you to deliver results quickly to your business. Thank you for listening, and good luck on your journey with Blueprint Identity Resolution from OpenJaw, now available on AWS Marketplace. Thank you.